Many other times we like complaining that we can't even recycle things and use things from our home and make kitchen gardens, or actually balcony gardens, or even a corridor garden. Today I'm going to show you how to recycle things from your home and make a seed bed out of it. Never mind Tommy. Tommy makes a lot of noise all the time, but I'm here to actually say you can recycle. So this basically is a prefabricated box. I don't remember what we came with it. It had some things. So I have to recycle this with these holes. You see them, guys? These holes can carry a lot of seedlings. And today we are going, as you all know, I love doing cabbages, and you're going to make a seed bed out of this prefabricated. You feel how it is sounding? Prefabricated thing to make a very nice, beautiful seed bed of cabbages. And before that, please make sure to subscribe, like, and share. I don't know what you're waiting for. By now, you should make me hit to those 4,000 watch hours. So please subscribe so that you can continue doing this more. Never mind Tommy. Tommy is always making noise. He wants to come out and he can't come out. So please subscribe, guys, as I show you how to make a very nice seed bed out of recycling what you have in your house. Okay, come along, let's go do this. So guys, I don't know if you can clearly see, this is one of the prefabs containers, like the one I've previously shown you. Looks like it contains, let me come closer, it contains manure which is organic. We call them goat manure and chicken manure. And then there's some soil, because I want practically to do this with you guys. I put it there that will fit in these containers, and some fertilizer that I'll mix with all this. I want us to see this, but the actual manure I'm talking of, organic chicken manure, usually looks like this, guys. You see, normally looks like that, chicken manure. And for the goat manure, we call them BB. We call them BB in our language. I don't know why they are called BB, but they're called BB. Let me come closer to the camera and show you guys so that you can understand. You need to do these organic things in your home and you'll be able to get good food, because like now you can see it is actually goat manure, and goat manure look like BB. We call them BB because they look like pellets. Literally they look like pellets, guys. You see. So I'm going to add some soil. Actually, I'll start with adding some manure that I've shown you on these small holes. So guys, stop having excuses. Oh, I don't have a big farm. Oh, I can't do this on my balcony. This is something I'm showing you, something that you can literally do at your balcony and make yourself a seed bed that you later on have your kitchen garden on your balcony, literally. So guys, I don't understand why you would fail to do this for yourself. And now we want to have organic food and have an organic kitchen. You can do this for your fruits, you can do this for your spinach, you can do this for your mushrooms. No, mushrooms love, I'm misleading you there. Mushrooms love cold areas, but what I'm trying to say, making a seed bed, you can do for your spinach, you can do for your coriander, you can do for your carrots. Recycle the things you have in your house and make use of them. So I decided today I'm going to do this on a prefabricated but we don't have to use all of it. Prefabricated material, so that you understand there's nothing you can't use. So I'm going to mix my oil, my soil with the manure that I've put here. Honestly, don't come for me. I'm not an agronomist, but I know I've balanced I've balanced my soil against the manure. You gently and religiously give your holes, because these are basically holes and they are having a lot of room, guys. You generously give your hole the soil. I'm doing it fast because I'm used to, and the ones you have too much big balls, you throw away. We need fine soil. Every time, last time I showed you a video full of the entire video for doing a seed bed. It has to be fine soil, okay, not soil with lumps. Just to have fine soil, fine soil, fine soil. And you can't give yourself excuse like, oh, you can't plant things in your home. Just to have fine soil, fine soil. I'm doing fast because I'm used to. And we should not have excuses of like, oh, I can't do this, I can't do this. You can do it now, guys. Do it very fast. Okay, you add all holes to have equal soil. After you do that, guys, you put all your holes with some soil. See how it looks like. Now it's time to add some water before we do the seeds on these holes. We add some water. I came with my jug of water. Generously water the seed holes for your seed bed to sit on. I mean for your seeds to sit on. Make sure you generously water them. Water the soil. You water generously, guys, so that when you put your seed, it will be able to sit well. Okay guys, now you look how your seed bed is well watered and well soiled. Now is the time to put your seeds. These are my cabbage seeds that had remained. I want to put some of them. Before that, guys, you need to create some small holes on this seed bed of yours, okay, so that you'll be able to cover with soil later on. Let me show you how we're gonna do this, guys. How we're gonna do this. So I need to look for something sharp. Let me use this. You can make small furrows on that seed, on those holes. Do you, Bab? So that you'll be able to help them germinate. For cabbages takes 45 days, guys. So they are very tiny seeds, very tiny. You need to be very careful how you open. I think I showed you last time, they're usually tiny. Let me do this. Oh God, did I listen to come out? You have to be very careful not to pour out your seeds. They are very tiny, very tiny. So guys, and this seedbed can even remove over 500 seedlings, so depends with how you do it in every hole. Okay, let me come closer and show you. They are quite small, tiny. I don't know you can see they're bluish. They take 45 days to germinate. No, 3 days to germinate, but 45 days to grow. So guys, you be very careful with how you do your seedlings, because they can end up wasting. And so I'm telling you, be very careful with how you do it, so that you don't waste any seed and you give it room to grow. Okay, let me show you guys. We're gonna do this together, so don't give me excuses like, oh, I can't do this, oh, I can't do this, oh, I don't have a land. Use actually a very tiny. If you're not careful, you'll waste your seeds. So I'm telling you guys, to be careful. To be careful. Hey, the other seeds, they're almost over, guys, but I'm gonna open up this. So that no seed get wasted. Yes, I know they are here. No seed will get wasted, okay? So these ones are going to go here. Oh my god, they don't throw even a single seed. So later on, see, I don't know if you'll be able to see the tiny ones. I don't know if you'll be able to see the seeds. Then I'll have to cover with loose soil. You can see those small tiny things. They're actually the seedlings. So you won't give me excuses like, oh, I can't be able to make. So guys, give me a minute. I get fine loose soil and we pour together with you here, and it will be done. Guys, after now doing your seed bed like this, like planting the seed, you need to cover them with fine soil. You see, I came with very fine soil. You can't leave your seeds open, because you know the birds and some pests will come and end up taking in your seeds. So you cover them with loose soil. You don't leave them open. So many seeds on these ones. Things we need to, so many of them that I need to. Okay, it's fine. You cover well, okay? Gentle. Of course, you can't you can't. Somebody might be asking me, where am I going to get some oil in this? Some soil on a balcony. You can get from farms within your hood, y'all. There's no place. You can tell me everywhere has cabro, to the point there is no a place you can dig some soil. You see the quantity I'm using, very little. Actually, this thing is 400 grams, so 400 grams is enough to even make an entire kitchen garden. 400 grams of soil, because this is a seed bed. I'll later on come and show you how to plant. After 45 days I'll show you how to plant them on your balcony with still recycled things. Do you bob, guys? Do you bob? Do you bob? Do you bob, guys? So this is how you do it. This is how you do it. Within 3 days, guys, they will have grown and you'll be having a very beautiful garden. Seedlings. You'll have germinated, guys, and then you'll open up your seed bed. Okay. Okay, guys. It has to be fine soil to cover it up. Very fine. Talk of fine soil, okay? Very fine soil. Somebody might be asking, so that you don't need heavy soil for it to make your seed not germinate. You know, the soil, when it's not fine, it will press the seed and it won't germinate in place.